How to get what you want from other people, or how to get other people to say yes to you almost all the time. Most Indian men only know how to transfer information in the most basic form. They can robotically talk or engage in small talk, but it's powerless and it has no real impact. If you want to become a high value man, you must understand how to get other people to change their mind or behavior. One powerful way to do this is through the principle of appealing to self interest. In this video, I will teach you how to use this principle with examples. There are three levels of communication. First, simply transferring information from your mind to somebody else's mind. This is the easiest and most basic form of communication that most people can easily do. Second, influencing someone's decision or changing their mind or belief. This is what we call persuasion. We use this in negotiations and higher order communication skills. This is a more difficult skill and it requires a little bit more time to learn. Third, influencing someone's emotions, beliefs, or behaviors. This means making someone like you, follow you, build rapport with you, etc. We call this seduction, influence, or attraction, and a lot of other things. This is the highest level that requires the most amount of time and skill to learn. But the problem is that most people live their entire life at level 1. So, what I'm going to share with you today will make you more persuasive and influential in almost any social situation. This can help you communicate like the top 1%. Whenever you are talking to someone, making a presentation, giving a speech, or when you are on a date, appeal to people's self interest and align yourself with a win win goal or a win win outcome. Basically, find something that both you and the other person that you're speaking with want or desires. This is called the collaboration frame. This is a position where you are not competing with the other person for your own goals, but collaborating so that both of you can gain something. Powerful communicators never operate from a competitive frame, which is the opposite of collaboration frame, because they understand that all human beings are self-interested and the only way to gain something is by giving something to them first. Powerful communicators also have an abundance mindset. They play games where both people can win. This is called win-win thinking or non-zero sum thinking. But most average people communicate from a competitive or a combative frame because of a fundamental mindset mistake, the mistake of zero sum thinking. They think in binary terms. They believe that if they win, the other person must lose. And if the other person is winning, then somehow they are going to lose or they are losing. This is a very narrow mindset which leads to failure in most cases. This is called win-lose thinking or zero-sum thinking. This is a huge reason why most average people can't get much ahead in life. You should avoid people who think this way. Or if someone close to you who has this mindset, then share this video with them so that they can learn how to think properly. Now that you understand win-win versus win-lose thinking patterns, let's see how these things apply in real life with some examples. Number one, understand that all people are self-interested, selfish, or self-centered. People are constantly thinking about their own best interests. How to gain pleasure, how to succeed, how to avoid risks, how to get more money, etc. And ultimately, how to maximize rewards while minimizing pain. This is great news for us because it gives us a predictable foundation to work with. Second, frame your communication around what's in it for them. Whenever you are talking to someone, don't start by focusing on yourself. Frame your message around their desires, their fears, the person that you're talking to can relate with. Example, I made this video because my goal is to gain followers and to grow my channel. But for you as a viewer, your goal is to improve your life in some meaningful way by watching this video. So both of us win through this video and both of us gain some value. So I don't necessarily have to win at your loss and you don't have to win at my loss. In this world, we both can win at the same time. Third, use both the carrot and the stick for maximum motivation. This means showing both the rewards of taking action right now and also showing the cost of indecision or inaction. It's more effective if you can communicate the prospect of instant rewards or instant pain. What I mean by that is if I want to sell you something, or if I want you to do something for me, I will signal a reward that's instant, that you can get right now. I won't mention a benefit that you might experience 3 months later. For example, the reason behind McDonald's, like brands like McDonald's, are so popular is because they give you an instant reward by giving you a high calorie, ultra processed, high in sugar food. They're not signaling a reward in the distant future. This is why bad habits like quitting smoking or quitting drinking is very hard. There is no immediate reward for quitting smoking. If you quit smoking right now, it will take you at least a couple of weeks to feel normal again. And the fourth point, which is understand that most people are motivated by avoiding losses more than by gaining something. In fact, losing something usually feels worse than gaining something of the same value. So, if you want to supercharge your communication skills, frame your arguments and offers around what audience wants, desires, values, or believes, and focus on immediate benefit, and at the same time highlight what they are trying to avoid, what hurts them, and what pain or problem they are desperately trying to solve, then you will be a powerful communicator. Let's take another example. For example, in a sales conversation, I might say things like, hey, after buying my course, you will gain confidence, you will improve your social and communication skills, develop a better personality, build better relationships, and you will feel less anxious. Now, these are all the things that most men want. I'm also going to add things like, and if you take action right now, you will also get 10% additional discount. And I'm going to share some bonus upgrades with you. So see how I'm projecting instant rewards like discounts and special offers for people who are taking action right now. This is the carrots and this is the benefit. But I'll also follow up with, but if you don't enroll right now, prices will go up in the future. So you will have to pay 5 to 10,000 rupees extra for the same course, which is a punishment. There are only limited slots available. So if you want the best offer, you should join today. This is called creating urgency. I'm also going to add, think about how much you have already lost because of poor social skills or lack of confidence. Don't repeat these mistakes. Learn now and avoid these things in the future. This is called signaling FOMO or fear of missing out. This is the stick or the punishment where I am communicating the cost of inaction or indecision. But notice how I'm also using both the carrot and also the pain, right? I'm not just giving you benefits, I'm giving you the pain and the pleasure. I'm mentioning immediate rewards as well as long term rewards, and I'm also mentioning immediate pain as well as long term pains. This makes my communication far more powerful because it gives the person something to move towards and also something to run away from. This is a technique that will help you get what you want in almost any aspects in any social situation in your life, which is appeal to their self interest. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then subscribe and share it with somebody.